If you're looking for a stitch to sew on elastic and don't know which one you're looking for, remember you have the little help area, the question mark, and if you pick a stitch, it will tell you what that stitch is. So if I touch it and touch like stitch number 10, it says elastic stitch, sewing elastic, darning, or patching. So let's just go ahead, select stitch number 10, and then with the right foot, I've actually got the 0. I've got the 1A foot on, but it calls for the 0A. I just recommend that you always follow what the machine tells you to so you get the best results. If that foot changes or the IDT is not on, make sure that you truly get things set up for the best results. Okay, so the elastic, let's go ahead and just do some stitching. Usually with elastic, you give the elastic a little pull while you stitch. You've probably pre-measured your elastic, so you need to pull it so it comes down to the end, and then you know how much it's actually going to pull the fabric in, and it will be equal the whole way through. So this stitch is more than just a zigzag. It's actually stitching kind of in between each side, so the elastic is truly stitched into your project. So the other thing is that happens when we sew on elastic is sometimes we get some skipped stitches. If you're getting any skipped stitches, click right up over here. I want you to go watch our video on stretch needles. Stretch needles actually have a coating on them and will help get through the plasticky parts of the elastic that are making it skip, and that can help you greatly. Isn't that an awesome stitch? And boy, does it allow you to truly get the stretch you need when you sew elastic.